three winners each earned a 15,000 peso BSBF scholarship grant plus 30,000 peso worth of oral health care and oral health center to share with their section. So tama po ang inyong narinig, hindi lamang yung winners natin ang may matatanggap, pati ang section na kinabilangan nila or kung saan sila makakatanggap din ng prize mula sa Colgate. Can everybody say thank you, Colgate, in 3, 2, 1? There we go! Now, bago natin tawagin ang winners ng ating arts contest, may we call on stage the representatives of our panel of judges for our art contest. Please welcome on stage Attorney Rexy Garcia and Mr. Jomar Escat. Once again, calling Attorney Rexia and Mr. Jomar Escat to join me on stage. Hello po! Good morning, Attorney! And good morning, Sir Jomar! Excited na po ba kayong i-award or i-announce ang winners natin for the arts contest? Tama, kayo po si Jomar, excited na kayo?
Super excited. Yung mga bata, especially when we did the poster meeting contest last week, talaga on the spot, walang mentor. It's just their artistic talent.
Wow, hindi po sa bahay, sa school
Sa
ginawa
school,
ang artwork.
ginawa.
Wow, very good. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating contestants. Yan, mamaya makikita natin lahat ng contestants sa ating arts contest tungkol sa ating exhibit sa likod. But for now, as I mentioned, i-award na natin ang ating top 3 winners. Pag tinawag po namin ang pangalan ng ating winner, samahan po ng ating teacher dito on stage para matanggap ang kanilang prize. At pagdating dito sa stage,